You won't believe this.
What? Tell me.
You won't believe this.
What? Tell me.
I saw Annika last night.
Where?
I saw Annika last night.
Where?
At the cafe, with someone.
Someone. Who?
At the cafe, with someone.
Someone. Who?
Not her husband.
What?
Not her husband.
What?
Yes. A young man.
Are you serious?
Yes. A young man.
Are you serious?
I swear.
What were they doing?
I swear.
What were they doing?
Talking, laughing, very close.
Oh my God.
Talking, laughing, very close.
Oh my God.
And guess what?
What now?
And guess what?
What now?
He held her hand.
No way.
He held her hand.
No way.
Way. I saw it.
This is big.
Way. I saw it.
This is big.
I know, right?
Does her husband know?
I know, right?
Does her husband know?
Not yet.
Poor guy.
Not yet.
Poor guy.
And she looked happy.
Happy. Really?
And she looked happy.
Happy. Really?
Yes. Smiling like crazy.
Maybe they're just friends.
Yes. Smiling like crazy.
Maybe they're just friends.
Friends don't hold hands like that.
True.
Friends don't hold hands like that.
True.
And wait.
What now?
And wait.
What now?
They left together.
Together. Where?
They left together.
Together. Where?
In his car.
Oh no, this is trouble.
In his car.
Oh no, this is trouble.
Exactly. Big trouble.
Should we tell someone?
Exactly. Big trouble.
Should we tell someone?
No, let's watch first.
You love drama, Maya.
No, let's watch first.
You love drama, Maya.
Maybe a little.
This street is never boring.
Maybe a little.
This street is never boring.
True. Always something new.
Okay, keep me updated.
True. Always something new.
Okay, keep me updated.
Of course. You'll be the first.
I trust you.
Of course. You'll be the first.
I trust you.